Hello guys, today I will test my Vevor oil press machine. I hope that is the right translation, using the olives. When I tested the other time with the nuts, people asked it, but can also work the olives? Today we will try it. I'm so far from the camera because I want to show you the tree. They are dead here in the south of Italy, unfortunately, and the beautiful sky that we have here now in Salento. What's happened? Many olive trees died, so many fields are abandoned, and new tree grow up from the roof or from the root of the old tree. So these kind of olives are very small because they are wild, perfect for our machine. But I found also a big one, so we can make the comparison and see if the machine works with all kind of olives. Plus, after, if you want to buy it, you can find the link under the video, but also if you are in the States, you can buy directly on the link here on YouTube. You can buy directly through YouTube. Okay, I will collect a little bit more, see you in the studio to check if our press oil machine works the olives. The idea was to harvest 10 kilograms of olives, but I checked and they are 9.5. So after I let you know from 9.5 kilograms of olives the amount of oil that you can press. You can see they are very small, like I was mentioning, compared to the leaves. If you find some pieces like this, you can remove it and put directly in your press. After 1 hour, I can tell you already that this machine is no good for extra virgin olive oil. So some people ask me, can I buy this to use and make extra virgin olive oil? The answer is a big no. Why? Because the olives are wet. So when we have done the oil with the walnuts, you see, spectacular oil, everything was working very well. And also when I tested with peanuts, perfect. This is the sediment because I didn't remove it. So with everything dry is perfect, like sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, every kind of seed that is dry. You can make oil, the powder go out and the oil come down. Some people tell me in a comment, this machine is no good for olive oil because the stone of the olive is too strong. No, this is not the problem, because like you can see, the stone become powder and go out here. The problem is that instead of oil, here from the machine we collect a kind of paste, olive paste. So the oil is inside here with the water, with the fiber. So now we need to take this paste, put in a press and squeeze it. So you will lose a lot of time. Also because until now I squeezed 1 kilogram of olives. So to squeeze 9 kilograms of olives you need 9 hours. Plus you collect the olives. So the price of this oil will be 100 euro per liter. So it's better if you buy the extra virgin olive oil. Plus, because when you put the olives, if you put 1, 2, 3, 4, little by little, the machine collect them, work them very well. If you put a bunch, they will stuck together and cannot reach the bottom of the machine, so the machine cannot take them, so you need to push them. It's a mess. So now I will put this in the press, I will squeeze, and after, maybe tomorrow, I will update you. Now it's 7 p.m. so after 5 hours I give up. More or less I press 2.5 kilograms or 3 kilograms of olives. After I will check. This is the final result. Now is oil mixed with water. You can see the green part on the top is oil. The other part will be sedimented. We will throw away, like you can notice here in peanuts oil. This bottom you can throw it. It's like a powder. Okay, now I clean everything very well. I need to press still this smashed olive, but I will do later, because tomorrow I have the beer tasting with friends, because I will test my amber beer that is inside my fermenter. Okay, see you in a few days to check the quantity of oil we'll get. After 36 hours, this is the result. I also move the top of my oil inside this glass jar. In this way the neck, like we say, the jar is smaller, is easy to collect the top part. I use also this one for the injection, but the final result is a disaster. So if you have some idea, some advice about this machine, let us know down in the comment. If you have some advice how to make olive oil at home, but because you have tried, not because you watch some fake video on YouTube or Instagram. If you have tried and you know, let us know down in the comment. In this way, me and other people that follow the channel can try to do the same things. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to give me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. For anything, always here on the channel, or you can write me also on Instagram, send me some picture about your creation that you are making at home. So perfect for seeds, awful for olives. Remember, don't believe about everything that you see on YouTube or on Instagram. Check the people that you follow.